YouTube, what's going on, fam? Welcome back, guys. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to get swole. I'm gonna show you guys the workout that I'm fit to do, as well as some of the meals that I eat throughout the day, so you might want to watch throughout the whole video. But look, guys, when it comes to getting swole, it's not hard. You know, one, you need to make sure that your nutrition is locked in. If you are watching this, you need to make sure you know how many calories that you should be getting in every single day: protein, fats, carbs. Everybody goals is different, so everybody macros is gonna be different. You feel me? Another thing is your training. Some of you guys, you work out, whether it's at home, the gym, and you just go and do whatever. You don't know what you're doing, you just doing whatever, and you wonder why you stuck, you ain't making no progress. You need to make sure you follow the split and that you are progressing every single day. But look, guys, I put together a 90-day program that you can do that's going to get you guaranteed results, whether you're working out at the gym or at home. First link description down below. We got effective workouts, so you know what exercise you need to be doing on which day that targets every body part, guys. Like I said, first link description down below. Make sure you guys grab it. But I'm gonna run you guys through a workout that you can do anywhere, just using your own body, just using your own body. So make sure you guys, you want to follow along and just watch this whole video, man. But we're gonna start with some dips, bench dips, guys. I do work out at home. If you are new to my channel, we're gonna do bench dips. We're gonna do some pull-ups, guys, push-ups, just using the floor, and some squats, guys. So make sure you guys watch the whole video, like, comment, subscribe if you have not. Enough of me talking, let's go ahead and hop straight into it. Staying hydrated though. Hydration is key, man. Don't pass out, man, working out. So make sure you guys staying hydrated. But look, man, any young man, especially any young man, but anybody really, but if you're a young man and you're watching this, man, whether you 12, 15, 17, 20, whatever, man, I'm 23 years old, but you're a young man watching this, man, and my advice to you, man, is to get in the weight room. The sooner, the better, guys. It's more than just working out and building your physical appearance. It's also mental. As a man, it's already, difficult. Like, you gotta work for the things that you want in this life. Nobody ain't gonna give it to you. This right here, though, for me, at least for me, how I feel, this is the foundation. Up in here, man, when I train, it's more therapeutic for me, it's more mental for me than the physical aspect. This is just a byproduct of the work, the pain, the sweat, the blood, it's just a byproduct, guys. But this does great for your mental, and it really keeps me controlled. You know, without working out, I don't know what I'll be doing, and it's a blessing, man. I just enjoy this. I enjoy working out, and this hour, 2 hours throughout my day, man, means everything to me. You know, this, like I said, just keeps me grounded, stress relief, and it just does wonders for my mind mentally. So if you're a young man, you're a man general, even, you know, a lady watching this, get in a weight room, exercise, do some type of physical exercise. You don't have to be super jacked like me, but doing some sort of exercising daily